got a call for a Suburban out on the Gooseberry Mesa Road that needs a little help getting up the hill, so we're headed out there right now. Okay. You want me to pull you out, or do you want to keep going and I'll go down and mess with them?
Yeah, I think we can get this the rest of the way.
Okay. Well, who's that and that one? Okay, are you stuck?
I was a little bit, but I ran up into them. Yeah, I think we can push them out. The Tahoe's down in the ditch a little bit.
Okay. All right.
Stuck. He's not going anywhere, right?
I think they're going to bring that crew down and push him off. So when we got there was a couple of vehicles stuck in front of the Suburban, but they had a whole bunch of people out there pushing, so they didn't need us. So I was a little bit worried that we were going to pile up into them, because I didn't know how long it was going to take them to push it up the hill, but they got after it. We probably only waited for maybe 30 seconds. Anyway, we got hooked up to that Suburban and just pulled them up. Not too big of a deal. That hill's just a little bit steep for a two-wheel drive vehicle when it gets slick like that. I don't know what else to say. Because all my videos end the same way. They're like, well, we got them out.